Hi guys, what's up? In this tutorial, I will show you how to do this square pipe roof designed by Santiago's Calatrava. It's a very cool building and the roof is very special. So let's get started. First, I will show you how to do this model in Rhino and then I will show you how to do it in Grasshopper. Let's go to the right view first and then draw a horizontal line. We can input 80 for the line, hold the shift command, confirm it, and then we can use the gumball and rotate it 15 degrees. Then we're gonna select the mate options here, this one, and use mirror. Use the mirror command, find the mate point, and draw a curve like this. Then we go to the perspective view, move these lines to here, and then use the gumball move this line in 50 units, like this. Select these lines, use linear array. This one, linear array command, select the objects, press enter. Input the number of items, maybe 10, maybe 8, press enter, and draw the direction line, maybe from here to there. Hold the shift command, and here we need to input 100 because previously we input 50 for this gap. There are 2 gaps, so we need to input 100. Do it like this. And then we're gonna create the surface for the roof. We already have many lines like this. And then go to the surface creation tools. You can imagine these lines as cross-section curves. There are many cross-section curve lines. So which command should we choose? We can use loft command, right? Click loft and select normal. You can't use loose, otherwise it will be like this. Choose normal and do not simplify. Click OK. Delete all the lines. Delete it. And then open the control points. Maybe open the control points later. And then we use Ctrl C, Ctrl A, copy and paste. And move it up 5 units, and then open the control points. Maybe select this one and adjust the form by using these control points. Move it a little bit upper, maybe a little bit more, like this. It's much better. And then adjust this one. Turn on the control points. Move it like this. Oops, it's the wrong one. This one. Okay. A little bit more. In the next step, I'm gonna create a lot of lines, like iso curve lines. There's an option that I can choose. I can find a common named contour. Select it, select this surface, and press enter. Draw the direction line this way, and input the distance between the gap, 5. Here I create a lot of lines. Move it to the other side. If we use Rhino, we can create the surface by using the loft command, and then the next one, and you can do the same thing for the other lines. Cool. And the next step, I'm gonna select all the surface. Use extrude surface. This one, and input 5. It will be like this. This is the first way that we can create a roof like this. And now I will show you how to do it in Grasshopper. First open the Grasshopper, and then we can create a new one, new document, and then use the surface command. Copy and paste, because we have got 2 surfaces. Select one surface, and then another one. Select another surface. We can hide this surface for a moment. Hide all of the other surface. Okay, and then we're gonna use the contour command. Go to the intersect and find the contour from here. This is a surface, and we need to mark a start point. And use a point from here. Add the other volumes and lines. Surface, don't need them. Cool. And then use a point. Set the point, this one. Connect them together, direction, let's say maybe it's Y direction. Let's double check it. Add this surface. Distance maybe it's 5. Okay, cool. Okay, now you can see the direction is wrong, so it should be the X direction. This one is the right one, so I'm gonna copy it and then delete this surface because we're gonna use this one here. Connect them together, and then we can use loft command to create the surface. Go to the surface and find loft command from here. Connect them together, and if I click this one, you can see I have already made all of the surface like this. And then in the next step, I'm gonna extrude the surface into solid volumes. Go to the surface and find extrude, and direction is Y direction. Then 5. Oops, this one should be X direction. Okay, this is the right one. And also if I show the surface, it's not this one. If I move the surface like this, you can see the form is changing. I try this one. Oops. Try this one. You can see it will be like that. Okay, and if I turn on this surface control points, it will be like this. If yours one doesn't move because you didn't turn on the record history column here, you should turn on always record history, this option, from the start point. Cool, this is the end of the tutorial. If you wish to learn more about the Grasshopper, please come to our website and purchase the Grasshopper courses. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.